Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 2004 Ford Excursion. This casting is by Matchbox from Moving Parts and it's new for 2025. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2004 Ford Excursion out of its box, and I think it looks like a nice casting even in the first look. It looks really good, and these were big SUVs, truck-based SUVs. They were huge, and the two-tone paint is very like 90s, early 2000s scheme on SUVs. I'm gonna start from the front. So the front, you got the big Ford grille with Ford logo, headlamps, and turn indicators, already detailed. Looks really nice with this huge chrome bumper, and this is actually correct. These cars came with chrome bumpers. Most of the trucks, like until few years, had chrome bumpers, painted bumpers. Were really late to those. Both the mirrors, windshield wipers, big hood. It's an opening hood, which you will see later. Looks really good at the front. I like it. Even the lower grille, though it's not painted, still looks good. On the driver's side, you can again see the similarities to the truck. It's long, big. The rear is so big. So now, few things. The blue paint looks awesome with this gray lower cladding. Looks really nice. Chrome wheels actually look good here because they used to come with chrome wheels. There's no glass in the front, and door handles are again squarish, typical truck side. You get the fuel filler on the driver's side. A chrome step, which is again really good and actually correct. They used to have chrome steps. I think even now they have some of those still have chrome steps. So from the driver's side, it looks really good, really nice. You can see how big the rear window was. It's a 3-door SUV. It's a huge SUV, and with 3 doors, there's a lot of space in the back. Now, coming to the back, again, good details. You can see detailed tail lamps, Ford badge, Excursion badge, and looks like it has split tailgate. And I think it did, if I'm not wrong. You also get a windshield wipers, obviously the door handle for the tailgate, and some looks like stop lamp on top there. And if you look at here, you can see the spare wheels inside, not mounted back or under the car. Right, no spare wheel here, it's inside. Now on the passenger side, looks almost identical. Only difference the fuel filler cap, and you can see the interior is finished in gray. It has got 3 rows of seating, and still a lot of luggage room. It's a huge SUV, and I like it. Like Matchbox did it, I'm glad they did it. It looks really nice. Got some nice details in the interior too. Not painted, but you can see the cup holders, the big armrest, steering, and the AC vents, everything. This is how it looks from the top. No sunroof, but you can see the roof beads. This is how it looks from the bottom. Still got some details. You can see exhaust, you can see the drive shaft. So there are some details here. So overall, oh, before we do that, I forgot to show you the hood. So the hood opens up on this one, and you can see the engine bay, and it's again nicely done by Matchbox. They have got some details in there, painted some parts. It looks nice. Let me zoom in on this one, and you can see how you can look at the engine, radiator. Looks like a battery terminal, maybe the starter or alternator, I'm not sure. So they've got some nice details in there. And even if you look inside the hood, like the inner side of the hood, they have some details there too. They did not do that, but they did, like the metal bracing and everything, and it looks good. The hood inner looks good, and I'm glad Matchbox did all that. It makes the SUV look even better. Yeah, so now we'll like it even more. And obviously, if you can find this one, go for it. It's a nice looking casting. Even the hood, when you shut the hood, the lines are crisp. It doesn't look like something, popping out. I think I like this casting, and I wish Matchbox does more of these. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.